Hello, my name is Keren and I am the founder and owner of designfreelogoonline.com. The website is providing logo design services. I approached Namita a year and a half ago to create a more advanced tool, logo maker tool, that will allow customers to create their logo online, change fonts, use different languages, and colors and icons, backgrounds, and all kind of nice features. So Namita took the project. I have designed the system and provided the general idea of what I want, and Namita and her team started creating the project. After some time, after some time, the system was ready. We had a few challenges on the way. It was a bit complicated, but eventually we succeeded, and now you can check it out to see what a wonderful website we managed to create. It's in designfreelogoonline.com. Yes, so I enjoy working with Namita and her team. Isham especially was very friendly and professional, and continue looking forward working with them in the future.